Hello, today we will guide you through how to build a Gantt chart in Confluence. To get started, open Confluence. Once you're on the main Confluence screen, look over to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Apps. This is where you can access additional tools and integrations that expand what Confluence can do. After that, choose Explore More Apps. This will take you to the Marketplace area where you can browse and install apps that work inside your Confluence environment. In the search field, type Gantt to quickly narrow down the available results. When the list appears, select Easy Gantt Charts for Confluence. On the app page, click Try it free, then follow the on-screen setup process to complete the installation. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on your Confluence setup, so just continue through the installation screens until the app is available. Once that's done, you're ready to start building your chart. Next, return to Confluence and click on the sample page from the left navigation. This opens a page where you can insert and test the Gantt chart. In a blank area of the page, type /Gantt. Confluence uses /commands to insert elements quickly, so this is a fast way to find the correct macro. From the options that appear, click Gantt Chart. Now you can begin adding chart items. Click the plus sign to create a new entry. In the description field, enter the task or activity name you want displayed on your chart. Be clear and specific here, since these labels help make the timeline easier to read later. Then select the text color, the bar color, and the time period for that item. These settings help organize the chart visually and define when the task takes place. Choosing consistent colors can make your chart much easier to scan, especially if you're tracking multiple work streams or phases. Once the task details are filled in, click Save to add that item to the chart. If you need more entries, you would repeat the same process, but for this walkthrough, we're focusing on the basic setup shown here. When everything looks right, click Save again on the Confluence page itself to publish your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a Gantt chart to a Confluence page using the Easy Gantt Charts app. This is a useful way to visualize timelines, organize tasks, and make project planning easier for your team directly inside Confluence.